In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable what's next in Forza Horizon 6. Now basically, whenever you complete an event, maybe a race or a street race, you should get to this point. Now this is what we call what's next. So it basically recommends you what to do next or what you want to choose next. Now you can enable this and disable it from the settings. All you have to do is simply pause your game. And then from this menu, select settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and choose hard and gameplay. And then scroll down until you see the what's next option under the hard section. So scroll down and here it is. And you can see by default, it has been enabled. If you'd like to disable it, simply select off and then press the save button on your controller or keyboard to apply the changes. If you'd like to enable it back on, simply choose on, press the save button on your controller or keyboard, and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.